Want to boost your strength, stamina, and overall performance naturally? No supplements, no shortcuts, just proven exercises that actually work. Let's dive into the top 4 movements you need to start today. 1. Squats. First up, squats. This is the king of all exercises. Squats build lower body strength, improve mobility, and increase testosterone naturally. Whether it's body weight or weighted, this move powers your entire performance. 2. Push-ups. Next, push-ups. Simple but incredibly effective. They strengthen your chest, shoulders, and core while improving endurance. Plus, you can do them anywhere, no equipment needed. 3. Deadlifts. Third, deadlifts. This full body movement builds raw strength and activates your posterior chain, your back, glutes, and hamstrings. It's essential for power and injury prevention. And 4. Planks. A strong core is the foundation of performance. Planks improve stability, posture, and overall control, making every other exercise more effective. Consistency is the key. Add these 4 exercises to your routine, and you'll see real, natural improvements in strength and performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and start training smarter.